Here's how you can create a professional website using AI. If you click on the first link down below in the video description, you'll be taken to this website. This website is called Code Design AI. It can create your entire website with the help of AI. You only need to mention what type of website you want, and Code Design will do the rest. Creating an account on Code Design is completely free. With the free plan, you will be able to generate 3 websites using AI. Once you are logged in, you'll see a page like this. Here, go to this New Project button. Next, click on the third option, which will open the AI generator. Next, you only need to mention what type of website you are actually looking for. For example, I am looking for a digital marketing agency website that offers SEO, email marketing, and web design services. I will enter this text here and confirm. Next, we need to select our language, our locations, and other details. And then click on this Generate button. Now Code Design will generate a website for us. It may take a couple of seconds, but you'll get a professional website. Here's the website it has created. And you can see that it is already looking very professional. It has also added content for each section, which is really amazing. Of course, you can make change to this website as per your need. Let's say I want to change this text here. So I will simply click on it, and then click on this magic AI button. I can ask it to make changes, and based on my requirement, the AI will rewrite the content. And you can do it for every section. From the top right, you can enable this advanced mode, which will show you more customization option for each section. Since this website is already looking very professional, I don't want to make changes to it. But keep in mind that you can change any part of this page as per your need. Before we save the website, make sure to preview it on tablet and mobile view as well. You can also click on this Regenerate Website button, which will create a completely different website design for you. Alright, now I will save this website. And once it's done, we can exit this editor by clicking here on the left. With the free plan, you'll be able to create 3 websites using AI. Code Design also offers hundreds of professional templates. You can preview these templates by clicking on the preview button, and then use them if you want to. The pricing plans of Code Design AI are also affordable, and they also offer lifetime deal offers. Make sure to use the first link which is given in the video description to sign up for Code Design AI. That is an affiliate link which will provide you the latest offers of Code Design. So make sure to use that link. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in my next video.